Good morning. Just got to the shop here. I'm going to empty the sand out of my my other sander because it's been sitting in there for a couple of days and it just got cold. So I'm thinking there's going to be some chunks in there, and I don't want that issue when we're in the middle of plowing tomorrow and having to sand. So empty it now, get rid of all the chunks, and then refill it right away with new sand. Probably fill it tomorrow. I got to get that truck started and the sand emptied out of it. I think that's it. Then we'll go from there. Ooh, frozen. This truck hasn't been started in probably a week. And it's minus 13 outside right now. The dash says minus 6, but it's colder than that. Ooh. Hey. Did not like that. Oh, and the wipers are frozen. Oh, and this truck needs fuel, so we gotta go fill this up. That truck's been warming up for a minute so far, at least for a little bit at least. At least get the snow off. It's all thawed out now. Whoa, that shook. That shook right up. Why is that shaking so much? Oh. Why is that shaking so much? Oh, there we go. That's why. Remember correctly, this thing is full. That's gonna take a long time. Perfect. I'm gonna back up a little bit more. Ow. No. No, that. Let that empty out for a little bit. Nice and warm in here. Way better than standing outside. But I should probably stand outside and babysit that. Make sure it's emptying. Oh, getting there. Vibrator on this side's broken. Right there. Oh, it's all rusty. Drive forward again. A lot of sand in there. No way. Ooh, and I gotta switch that plate too. Try to keep it semi-clean. Flathead? Perfect. Wow, that's a lot of sand. Pulling into the gas station right now. Put some diesel in this puppy. Doesn't need very much, only quarter tank. Fuel in the truck, full tank, ready to go. Back to the shop now. Get my other truck. My other truck needs fuel. What else? If you watched the last video, I mentioned that the ESO that we do, the guy never signed his contract, so we didn't sand it this morning. Well, he just called me in. He wants me to come out there and pick up the contract now. So I have to go out there and pick it up so we can start servicing that place. Okay. Park this thing here. What the f is that? That's a good spot to pump a bunch of water right in the middle of the parking lot. I don't want to freeze my plow in the ground. -6 feels like -13, and they're pumping water into the parking lot. You can't make this shit up. Okay, grab this, grab that, plow down. I'm gonna push up that sand. Start that truck so that it's nice and warm for me. We're gonna go out to Lively now, get that contract.
Wi-Fi is on.
All right, we got the contract. A little more difficult than it needed to be, but got it signed nonetheless. We're gonna go put fuel in this truck now. See you at the gas station. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good. That specific light, for some reason, there's always an accident at that light. I don't know why. There's a red light camera on it. People still run the red lights. We got fuel in this truck. I'm gonna head home. If I don't pick up the camera again today, then we'll see you in the morning, fill up the sanders, get ready for the snowstorm. Because tomorrow night we're supposed to get quite a bit of snow. So we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning here, and we're just gonna head over to the shop, continue getting ready for this storm that's coming this weekend. Stop at Canadian Tire first, get some washer fluid. This truck needs a jug in it, and the other truck needs a jug in it.
Let's go. But I'm gonna carry my weight on my head, but I don't need cap. My square green with the eggs on the plate. Got the sushi flow with it.
How do you think that was a good idea?
Sticks to the slums, I don't duck, I don't wait. I just aim at the flame, make your Hooverville shake.
We're just leaving Canadian Tire here. Got the washer fluid. See you at the shop. I'm pretty sure that's got to be jacked up. Big time. These wires are cold, which means they're not going to want to go in here very well. Oh, that went smoother than expected. That went way smoother than expected. It's definitely cold in there. Some fluid through it. Okay, we're gonna get this truck filled with sand, that truck filled with sand. Both plows are on, both plows are working. I think that's it, and we're good to go. Oh yeah, it was almost empty. It's almost empty. Good thing I did that. Good thing I did that. I'll put a full one back here. Now we're gonna do this truck. Yesterday the nozzle wasn't spraying, so I gotta figure out what's up with that.
Ontario.
Oh, now they're both spraying. All right. Oh. Man, that's a heavy hood. Wow. That was almost empty too. Pull one back here. Put this in the loader. I don't even know where the washer fluid fill up is on this thing. You have to assume it's back here somewhere. Yeah. Oh, it's full. Can you mix blue and green washer fluid? We're gonna find out. Oh, I should bring that truck up here and plug it in. Ah! That's cutting it pretty close. Oh, not in the snow. Perfect. Both working. If I can get a little further away, then I could still pull out that machine. Oh yeah, we got room. Oh, you mother. Too far. Perfect. Shut her off. That scared me. I think I filled this up with fuel. I should probably check though. Yeah, she's full. Okay, I think we're good to go. Hey, well, I think that's it for today. Now we sit around and wait for snow to show up, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Keep on burning. Who wants smoke with me? I said you can't keep running from the heat. Only one thing is certain. The world keeps turning. The world keeps turning, rolling over me, but I'ma keep on burning. Who wants smoke with me? I said you can't keep running from the heat. If only one thing's certain, the world keeps turning.
And good morning. It is 3 a.m. here, Sunday morning, and we got some snow, finally. So we only got about an inch on the ground right now, but it's stacking up. I'm gonna get stuff opened up quickly. It's supposed to snow all day. I'll see you guys at the shop. I just started recording, by the way.
Do I have to watch what I say?
No, not really, but I mean, like, I just don't make me f***ing put a million blurps in the video.
You just forced yourself to put one because you just swore
because
right
I'll probably
now.
just cut all this part out. There's nothing really going on right now, so.
Wow, I see how it is. You should have more commentary over what you're doing.
Yeah, well, I was just about to f***ing do it, but then you called me, so. I just stopped at the shop and there's not that much snow, so I'm not really gonna pull out my loader. I'm just gonna open up some lanes with the truck.
I wanted to ad lib and say, clean up some lanes.
Clean up some lanes. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, that hurt. Did you hear that through the phone?
Yeah, it was a big fucking crash.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna go get my loader.
It's getting bad out there.
No, not really. But I just don't want to plow in my truck. Kind of pissed off right now, I'm not gonna lie.
Bro got all prepared and ready for f***ing what?
I got prepared for a storm that never showed up.
Don't be mad. It's just a little bit of no snow.
Yeah, but I got up at 3 o'clock in the morning for no reason. I'm gonna check the weather. What are we looking at?
There might not be no snow.
But we're supposed to have
But at
15
least-
centimeters today. Okay, we just got in the loader. I'm gonna go f***ing plow some shit. Lights on. Open the door. Parking brake off. Put it in gear. Close the door. Hey, that's it for here. It's still snowing out. It's gonna snow all day today, so we'll come back, clean everything, clean the rest of the shit up. There's already another centimeter on this shit, and I just plowed it, so I don't know. We'll see how much we get. I don't think we're gonna get 20 centimeters. I hope we do, but if I was a betting man, I'd bet against. Clean this up real quick. She wants me to put the pile over here now. She doesn't like it over there because she likes to park her car there. Yeah, kind of funny, there's another property management company with their plow truck here. Speed bump. Boing. Man, those speed bumps are bad. Today's a Sunday, so, you know, a lot of I'd say probably about half of the stuff that I have to plow, I don't have to plow because everything's closed, so we're gonna wait till it all falls today and then bang it out tonight.
But my people say poppy. See, I come from the gutter, the mud, the dirt, but somehow I got tied to this rock. I was down on my luck, I ain't had me a book. Swear this life shit was rocky. Had to figure it out.
Holy shit. What the f was that? Oh. What the f is that? Oh, Hopefully I didn't break anything. There it is. Is it? Oh, manhole. That's way out of the parking lot. Hey, just got back to the shop, got the loader dripping off. Gave it a little spray down there, washed the windows down, washed the boom down, and all that stuff. As long as a rental, I'm not cleaning that. But we gotta get fuel tank over there, fill that up right there. Gotta put the forks on the machine. All right. Well, that's it for this morning. About 8:30. I'm gonna let the snow accumulate outside. We'll see you guys back here this afternoon when we go back out, once the rest of the snow's fallen. I know we're gonna get the full 20 centimeters that they're saying, but who knows? We might get 50. We might get 4. Okay, we'll see you guys tonight. You're all on video now.
Oh no.
Did you all meet each other?
I know.
Well, you two know each other. That's Malcolm. Here. Yeah, it doesn't stay in there. Maybe just put that in the cup holder. Well, you gotta go start it. You got what?
The Bluetooth thing in there?
Well, the Bluetooth works on it now. Look at this guy. He's already sitting down. You're ridiculous.
It's my whole job is sitting
It's my whole job. So it's a glow plug cycle. The key should be, no, right here. This is the key for that gated place. Okay, you get to clean off your own truck. Hey?
You're not gonna do it for me?
No. I would have, but you got here on time. He wants one of you guys to clean off his truck.
Liam?
Yeah. You're not interested? Why won't that start? Neutral, parking brake on. Oh, the switch isn't in neutral. There we go. All right. You want to grab him a shovel? Holy f***, it's windy out. Were you able to do any curb lines anywhere?
I didn't do them. No, but
Okay, so no.
At Gus's the sidewalk's still good, but
Alright.
I can do the curb lines there.
Yeah, you gotta go and do curb lines everywhere. It looked bare, but at least drive by, show him what it looks like. And yeah, do the curb lines everywhere. And then there's that new one on Arnold.
Yeah, it's just that one.
Yeah, so when you leave Vega, and just do, I don't know if you guys, you're not taking both vehicles, eh?
No,
Just yours?
His.
Yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. I think that's it. I'm sure you will.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. You good to go?
Yeah, just gonna do my logbook.
Yeah, okay. So there's new ones on the list? Okay, yeah, never mind. It's still on that list. I wasn't sure it was on there or not. Oh, reverse is starting to go on this truck. So just be nice to it in reverse. Make sure you're fully stopped before you slam it in reverse. I think that's it. You want something to drink? Oh, there's gloves in. There's gloves in the back of the truck. I put them there, so. No, that's why they're in there, yeah. That's why they're in there. What do you want to drink? Just water? Somewhere near the middle for sure. Good? Yeah. We can move that controller too. I got all new wiring put on the truck.
Yeah.
So they mounted it to this side. So if you don't like it, then I can move it to the other side. Once you're done, just let me know. Like, I don't know what hand you normally control it with, but you'll push up on it, yeah. Yeah, you control it with your right hand, eh? Yeah, so do I. You want to cut it right now? Oh, pulled out a lot of wires. Always last minute stuff to do. I'll have to fix it better after. Just watch, it runs kind of right across your brake pedal. Alright. See you, buddy. Be safe. Hey, we're out of the shop. 6:22. Not bad for a 6 o'clock arrival on the first storm. 20 minutes of screwing around at the shop, getting everything figured out. The Bluetooth wasn't working in the truck, and then the controller was mounted to the wrong side, and uh-oh, he's already calling me. Hello. Okay, I'll drive over there. I'll come show you. I gotta go by there anyways. Okay, bye. I can sense there's gonna be a lot of phone calls on the first storm, but you know what? Phone calls are okay. I don't mind my phone ringing because it means that the guys are paying attention rather than just trying to guess and hope that maybe they might get it right. It's this parking lot right here.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Whatever's easier.
I'll figure it out.
Yeah. Thank you.
How's it going?
Good, yeah?
You do spaces like spaces for everybody we move out? Are you doing spaces here like this to go by cars parked right there, or
No, not right now.
why not?
We're gonna do it later. I don't have time to do it right now.
Okay, so you're just doing the main thing here?
Yeah.
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, send an email and organize everybody to move their cars on the same day.
So but how? Oh, then we'll know what day you're coming. Is that
Yeah,
what,
she'll email you and say like have your car moved between like 12 and 2 on Tuesday,
Oh, okay.
for instance, you know?
something like that, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, well
yeah.
that'll be good then.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
thanks. I gotta
Yeah.
move my car here when you're finished, so I can clean it off and clean up my spot then.
I'd rather you just left it there,
Why is that?
because I probably won't pull out your spot even if you moved your
Yeah,
car.
that's okay. I'll clean it
Okay.
tonight. Yeah, I'll clean it tonight. I'm gonna take the snow off over here instead of dumping all the snow over there.
You're gonna dump it in the spot that I just plowed?
Well, yeah, there's not much snow in the car, so
Okay.
don't worry about that.
All right, sounds good.
Okay.
Thanks. He's gonna move his car to the spot I plowed to clean all the snow off of it. I did this one with my truck last year, and boy is it a pain in the ass with a truck. All the snow goes right where that car is. I don't know why they parked there, but they did. With a truck, you'd never be able to put the snow back here with that car in the way. It's all about giving better quality to the customers. Better quality, happier customers, more referrals, less complaints, less work. I'm gonna pull out this handicap spot. I don't know how long that took me, but I'm guessing it took me 10 minutes, not even. 4 minutes. I've been recording for 4 minutes. So in a pickup truck, I would have been here 15 minutes, 20 minutes, easy. Hey, we just got to the shop. Next morning. I take these wings off. I got a guy coming here this morning to put lights on the loader. These here for now. Oh. Get this out of the way so that he can park up here. Okay. Whew. Nice and warm in here. My baby's all clean. Well, cleanish, I guess. Yeah, he's replacing all these halogen lights with these LEDs. There was no light here before, so these I put on here already, but I never hooked them up. So he's gonna hook these up, replace these with more of the LEDs. And he's gonna put 1 or 2 on the back, and he's gonna put a big light bar on the front. Hopefully you guys will be able to see a little bit better, maybe. Hopefully I can see a little bit better. I can see okay, but you can never have too many lights. Get the lights down. Oh. How's it going?
Better in the heat, dude.
Yeah, it's nice in here, eh?
It's cold out there.
Yeah, very.
Started my Monday off good. Go start my truck. Kick.
Really?
Yeah.
Dead battery?
Yeah.
Bad. My day started off pretty good because our sewer and water job got canceled, so.
Oh.
I mean, good for me, not for everybody else, but.
Always wear that camera? Or?
No, it's new. This one shoots 5.3K. So like I have a 4K TV and it's pretty good quality. I don't know what 5.3K is, but that's what this one shoots.
More real than real, I guess.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so I put a box of lights there.
Okay.
There's 2 there, and then there's obviously 2 mounted already. But
so you want 4 in total.
4 on the front.
Bar.
Yeah, 4 on the front, and then the light bar.
Okay.
And then if you can fit 4 on the back, 4 on the back. If you put them up there and it's gonna look funny, don't do it. Yeah, that should be fun.
Inside of that.
Questions, comments, concerns?
No.
Good.
The light bar you want it on the back set of lights, right?
Yeah, so there's like 2 positions, eh?
click.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
second click.
Okay.
So if click 1 can turn on those 2,
Yeah.
and then the second click turns on the light bar and the other 2.
Okay. Can you drive, like, how are those lights on the front there?
They exist.
They're just candles?
Yeah, like if you put on the high beams, they're not bad. These with the high beams on are better than those halogens.
Yeah, eh?
Those are the most floodlight you'll ever see. I mean, I tinted the windshield, but like you can't. Like I feel like I turn them on. I more or less just turn them on for show.
Yeah,
you can't.
they're on
You don't really
marker
see much.
lights almost,
yeah. That plow's a rental.
Okay.
I ordered Snowing. I think I told you that.
Yeah, okay.
It should be here this week, he says, but I don't know. Salesmen are always full of shit.
Yeah. It's not that bad, I guess.
It's only a $5,000 plow though.
Yeah.
You can buy that brand new for $5 grand. I was thinking about buying it to just keep as a spare instead of
Quick attach at least?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, hydraulic. It's a skid steer attach.
Oh, okay.
So I could put this right on the skid steer if I
Oh,
wanted.
that works then.
Yeah.
That's way too big for a skid steer, but is the Sioux
What's an auto greaser?
you've never seen one?
No, or sorry, what's an auto greaser cost? I should have f***ing finished my sentence.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I think these I could get a better quote, but I want to say like 7 or 8 grand.
Pass. Well, I don't like grease, so like I just put enough grease to like enough, you know, like this machine, as you can see, this ran all summer. There's no grease anywhere.
Yeah. No, you don't need.
I grease it, I wipe it down,
Yeah.
and then I pressure wash it.
Yeah.
3 hours pressure washing this thing at the end of the summer
Yeah.
before I put it away. You're not supposed to use that as an insult anymore. It's offensive.
I said something like that to my buddy who's a miner, who's the most offensive man I know.
Whoa, you're friends with a miner?
Yeah.
Whoa, pause.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute here.
I came in on Friday, so I didn't get the chance to look at it. But do you have any Deutsch plugs?
Just
'Cause I
ones.
have two pins.
Just the one I showed you. Just these ones. That's all I got.
Oh yeah.
You can't buy them in town?
Well, you can.
Right in the middle.
Pull this up a little bit.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave him here to do that. I gotta go help one of my buddies fill up his salt bins. And we'll see you guys back at the shop when he's all done. And I'll show you guys how it came out.
The fucking guy just fell.
What happened?
Your fucking tits just fell.
What do you mean he fell?
I have it on like
now Bill's getting sued by
Will. Like, can you fucking get the guy a shovel?
Why doesn't he have a shovel?
He has a shovel. He was like, he's pissed now. Like, he's gonna quit. I'm telling you, he's gonna quit.
What the is going on here?
I'm not yelling at tits. I'm yelling at you. I'm watching tits on camera. He fell.
How did he fall?
I'll send you the video. He just fell on my watch as I was calling you.
How did he fall? Like what is it? Is it icy or?
Poor f***ing guy, and I could see him, his hat fell off.
Oh, I'll call him and see what's going on.
No, don't tell. I'm gonna send you the video.
Yeah, send me the video.
No, don't laugh at him. He's gonna f***ing quit and we won't have a shoveler.
No, he's not gonna quit. He's coming to the Christmas party. Chuck's
Okay,
his.
Will, I'll send you the video. Call him and ask him if he's okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna call him right now.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye. Well, we're just pulling into the shop here. I guess I guess we got problems at one of our sites. Anyways, I'm just pulling back up here. Gonna go check out the lights. But let's call Malcolm and see how he's doing.
Into an automatic voice messaging.
I guess his phone's in his car. All right, let's go see what these lights look like. Ugh. Oh, wow. That looks way better. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that should brighten the place up, I think. Well, we're gonna test it out tonight. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice and bright. That's gonna be nice for sure. I gotta take out the machine tonight because the guy driving my plow truck put a snow pile where it's not supposed to go, even after it was discussed. So, and this wing has to be fixed too. The pin's missing, and he doesn't know where it went. There's supposed to be a pin that goes through there. I'll show you on this side. There's a pin there that's supposed to exist. I don't know. I don't know where it went. I have no idea. No idea. And he doesn't know either, so it's a mystery. Hey, well that's it for today. But I'll pick up the camera tonight when I go out to move those piles. And it's snowing out right now, so who knows? Might have some work to do in the morning.
Paulina said, poor guy. What do you want to say to Paulina?
He must be having a bad day. This has got to be the worst road in Sudbury. It's terrible. All right. Just got to the shop here. Get the loader out. Go move those piles. I think there's a couple of drifts that I got to clean up at yeah, the apartment complex that we do. Oh, how much fuel is in this thing? Yeah, it needs fuel. All right. All right, full of fuel. Let's try out these new lights. So that's what we had before. And regular lights, high beam lights. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, they gotta be adjusted like crazy. Well, we'll see how they do. There's no way I can have those on the road though. Oh, I need the key to that gate. All right, got the key. Truck's locked, shop's locked. Let's go move some piles. Let's go move a pile. Grab the key. We can see way better. Back seat. Yeah, so all this snow is supposed to be over there. But I guess he forgot or didn't feel like doing it, or I don't really know what the deal is here. The email she sent me was a lot more dramatic than this. It sounded like he put the snow pile right in the middle here, but that's not the case at all. I'm kind of irritated right now. I should have checked for myself. Let's push it into the bush a little bit more. They got a trailer back here. I guess they don't want the trailer. They don't need it for the winter, or... Push all that up there. Alright, that should be good. You should have lots of room to put all the snow in there now. Make sure we lock the gate back up. Supposed to push these corners back too. Yeah, he pushed them back, I guess. All this redrifted after I plowed here yesterday, so I gotta come and clean it up. And I figured while I was up moving that pile, might as well do it all at once. See the curb there. Oh, there it is. Almost like that light is too bright for that camera to handle. The camera doesn't like it. Okay, I think that was it for drifting. That's all I noticed. Of course it's snowing out. Of course it's snowing out. Oh my God. Well, that's it for here. Well, that's it for tonight. I think I'm gonna end this video here. It's pretty much the end of this storm. We didn't really get the full 20 centimeters that they were projecting. I think we ended up with maybe 6 to 8 centimeters, which is I don't know, 2.5, 3 inches. I'm gonna end this video here. I appreciate you all watching, and we'll see you in the next video.